Almost there, almost there.
Ready? I'm gonna land.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gun Prime. Today we're shooting a fridge, so come check this out. We were talking the other day and we wanted to test out the meme. I sent it to some of the guys at work, but it's 50 cal for when there's a burglar behind the fridge in your neighbor's house. So I've always seen this meme. I'm like, well, could you really go through your house and your neighbor's house and their fridge and still like hit the burglar? I don't know. We're gonna find out today. We've got the fridge set up here, filled it up with some jugs of water, some pumpkins. We have some Cokes right here. All right, so I asked Kyle and Corey to come help me out today. We're shooting everything. Kyle, what are we gonna shoot first?
We're gonna shoot a 9.
All right, so I'm assuming. Come out here.
Oh, look at this beautiful new fridge for our range.
I'm gonna shoot it upside down. I'm gonna shoot it with my
on.
pinky finger.
Where are you aiming at?
The fridge. Alright, let's see.
No, right in the door, nice.
Nice. And what kind of mag you got in there?
I got one of them Glock Extendos, man, an FDE.
I've got no exit.
Look in here, guy. Looks like it went in.
Oh yeah. Let's open it up and see what happened.
There it is. I cooled it off. It's not too hot.
Oh yeah, the fridge cools them down. Did it take the jacket off?
Yeah, looks like it. Woo. 4.5. Kyle?
This is Colt's government model. Shooting 4.5 hollow points. How heavy is
Push
this?
it back here so I can see it one more time.
They're subsonic, so
There you go.
like
I got it.
Grain, 230 grain, I mean.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna shoot the drink station there. Nothing out the back.
There's a little bulge. You can't barely tell, but there's a little bulge right there. Shoot again, Kyle?
Sure. Got
It
nothing
made a
in the
big old
back.
hole.
Nothing in the back? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna go through all that. Whoa,
yeah.
did you get a pumpkin?
No!
Okay, right there.
Where's
Oh
the
look,
jug?
we're leaking water.
I see it down in the bottom.
Where did I put the other one? For $15,000, it better be a strong fridge.
Alright.
I want to shoot the FAL, so.
We are. All right, so Kyle's got the STG 77. It's a throwback Steyr AUG based on the earlier models. And where are you aiming this time, Kyle?
I'm gonna try to go in that same pumpkin. So we'll see. You ready?
Fire in the hole. All right. Smaller hole that time.
Ooh, we might have some penetration back here, look.
Yeah.
Come out the back. Oh yeah. And through the door. We're not finding that bullet, gentlemen. Yeah, it's definitely into pieces though.
Oh wow.
Alright, the 5.56 went through too easy. So we put some ceiling tiles in the way right there.
Hey guys, we couldn't decide which one was cooler. I'm an old school fan. This is a FAL parts kit. You can see a FN. And it was put together by DSA Arms.
Go back. Let me see that. Okay, I got you.
And then DSA Arms. Really cool guns. What you got there, Kyle?
It's that LWRC Reaper. It's pretty sweet.
So we wanted to shoot both of them today.
Let's see. See if we can get some Coke cans.
3, 2, 1, shoot.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Saw some ducks come out the back. Some exit wounds.
That's probably Kyle's down there. Mine was a little higher.
So Kyle shot one a minute ago off camera. Is that like keyholing? Is that coming out sideways?
I mean, after it hits all that, it probably would be. Yeah. Kyle, I think there's only one thing else to do.
Unload a 50 on it.
Yeah. It's your turn to shoot the 50, Kyle.
Ugh.
Did it get knocked over the fridge?
Kyle, you ever shot one of these before?
No. Alright, here we go.
Man, the muzzle blast on that thing is ridiculous.
About one more.
All right.
Thing like echoes in the ear.
Hey. Let's set this down. Did I miss?
If you missed, it's gonna be hilarious. Yeah, those are the holes right there.
Didn't hit anything good in there though.
All right, so we're gonna finish up by just blowing away everything left in the fridge. I've got the 5.56, Corey's got the 308, Kyle's got the 22. We're just gonna unload on it and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go.
You said go?
Yeah.
Fell to the ground.
Everybody clear?
Now I'm clear.
I don't know if this was a good idea. We gotta clean this up.
All right, so is the burglar safe? Next door, behind the fridge in your neighbor's house, 9mm, he's safe, but that's fine. 45, all right, so 50 cal. The whole meme is about a 50 cal, right? So is your neighbor safe behind the fridge in your neighbor's house with a 50 cal? I'm gonna say definitely not. I think it would go through your house, the neighbor's house, and probably a few other people's houses. And so yeah, 50 cal is where it's at. All right, well this fridge is pretty much done for.
Yeah, we need a better one.
Yeah, it's time to upgrade. We can keep this one at the range though to keep our drinks cold.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
In the winter.
Yeah.
We should definitely keep this here though.
How are we gonna get rid of this thing? Guys, thanks for tuning in. This wraps up this video. I think this fridge is pretty much done for. I don't know, maybe we'll shoot it up in some other videos or something. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Hey, there's shaving cream.
Well, may she rest in peace. I really want to take that right there and shoot it. Maybe that grill. Maybe that other microwave right there. Kyle said I can't scavenge though.